Do you want to start a blog in India but think it costs a lot of money? What if I told you that you can start a professional blog for under 3,000 rupees? Yes, with your own domain, hosting, and website. In this video, I'll show you how beginners can start a blog step by step in 2026. Many beginners delay starting a blog because they think it requires technical skills, it needs a big investment, or they simply don't know where to start. But the truth is, starting a blog today is much easier and cheaper than before. With the right tools, you can create a fully functional blog in just a few steps. All you need is a domain name, reliable web hosting, and a platform like WordPress. Once these are set up, your blog can be live within minutes. Here's a quick overview of the process. Choose a blog niche. Buy a domain name for your website. Get affordable web hosting. Install WordPress. Customize your blog with a theme and plugins. Start publishing valuable content. And the best part? You can do all of this within a budget of 3,000 rupees. If you want the complete step-by-step guide, including the best hosting options in India, how to buy a domain name, how to install WordPress, and how to launch your blog within 30 minutes. I've explained everything in detail in my blog post. The link is in the description. Open the link and read the complete guide to starting a blog in India under 3,000 rupees. And if you want more content about blogging, web hosting, and making websites, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.